In this class, I'm going to explain what instant pages are and how you can create them on TikTok ads. Well, here on the computer screen, to start with, let's understand what instant pages really are, and instant pages on TikTok ads work as a type of website integrated within the TikTok app. They expand the content of advertisements, allowing users to explore additional details, products, or services without having to leave the platform. It's as if they are specific pages on TikTok designed to provide more detailed information while keeping users engaged without external redirects. In other words, when we talk about an instant page on TikTok, it's a type of page where, before redirecting a customer to an external page, you can create a page similar to your website, but it will be an instant page integrated into TikTok without the need to redirect the customer to an external site. Want to see an example? Let's say you're advertising a product in an online store and you can create an instant page on TikTok. When someone clicks on the call to action button, whether it's buy now or learn more, among other call to action buttons, before being redirected to the website, they will be directed to a TikTok instant page. This instant page can be customized, and let's assume it's an online store and you're promoting a specific product. You can create an instant page for that specific product, where before the person reaches an external website to make the purchase, they will enter this instant page, which can contain the product image, more detailed information, and even the price. Then you can include a buy now button. And from the moment the person clicks on this button, they will be redirected to your external website. So instant pages here on TikTok work as a kind of web page but integrated into TikTok without the need for external redirection. This can make your campaign even more intuitive. And how can I create an instant page here on TikTok ads? To create an instant page on TikTok ads, you need to log into your advertiser account, access Ads Manager, where you can actually create instant pages for the type of product or site you want to promote. Then hover over the Tools option and click on Instant Pages. Inside this page, click the Create button, and that's where we'll actually create our instant page on TikTok. Here, you will see several examples of instant pages, like this example of an app profile. If you click on it, you can get an idea of how this instant page works. This type of instant page, for example, for an app profile can be very interesting if you want to promote a specific app and you can display this ad on the official app profile. So, before downloading it, it will appear here as if you were in an app store, which is very similar. The person can click on the Go to App Store or Go to Google Play button, and as soon as they click on this button, they can download the app. These are some examples of instant pages. We also have other examples, like a classic form and an advanced form. I'll click on the advanced form, and let's say you're advertising for a campaign with the goal of collecting leads or signups. You can create an instant form page using this template. Or if, for example, your goal is to sell a specific product from an online store, you select the products for sale option. This is an example of an instant page you can build if you want to promote a specific product from your online store. Not just one product, but several other products. This is a product-specific instant page. Here we have photos and videos of the product itself. You can also insert them. Here we also have the price. You can enter the name, and when the person clicks on the Buy Now button, they will be redirected to your website, where they can complete the conversion. This can save you a lot of money, especially because before the person enters your website, they will see an instant page on TikTok that will give them an approximate idea of the product's cost. If it interests them, then they just have to click on the Buy Now button, and in most cases, they could become a buyer. So here are several templates you can use as a foundation to build your instant page on TikTok. Oh, Mateo, I want to build an instant page from scratch. No problem. You can click on the Customize button and you'll be able to develop an instant page from scratch. It will be a template page, but you can customize it to fit your needs. So, let's say you've chosen a products for sale page. Click on the Confirm button, and at this stage you will actually customize your instant page on TikTok ads. Here, you have several settings like the color style. You can leave the page in black and white or in a custom color scheme. Regarding the language, you can switch to the language you want to use on your instant page. I'll select Spanish, and now my entire page has been translated. Here you can enter the video you want to use on your instant page. Click the Update button to upload the image or video you want to use. You can also add image carousels, which can also be very interesting. If you click the arrow, you can also change the description, like the product name and a brief description of it. The product pack images and videos where you can select several other products on this instant page. And here, the call to action button. The call to action button by default appears as buy now, but you can change it to learn more and many other options. You can also customize this button based on your goals, which can vary significantly depending on your needs. So let's assume this is my instant page. I won't add any images, but let's say I've inserted an image and already customized my page. I'll click the finish button and my instant page has been created on TikTok Ads. Now I can move on to the process of building a campaign using custom pages. How would you do this in practice? You will see the campaign option where you will create a campaign from scratch by clicking the create button. You will arrive on a page where you will set the objective of your campaign. So in my case, as I created an instant page with the goal of driving conversions for my hypothetical e-commerce, I can select conversions on the website. Matthias, I created an instant page to generate leads. You will choose lead generation. Oh, I want to promote an app. Select app install. It depends on your goals. For some specific objectives, you can use instant pages. Matthias mentioned that you need the pixel to use instant pages. Yes, it's important to have the pixel installed and configured on TikTok Ads. In addition to having the pixel installed and configured, you also need to ensure that conversion events are enabled to be able to use TikTok's instant pages. I will select conversions on the website and click the continue button. Then, in the optimization location option, instead of selecting website, I will switch to the TikTok instant page that I chose on my TikTok instant page. I haven't configured the pixel, so I don't have any installed pixel here. No optimization events will appear, but if you have completed the setup process, you will see all available optimization events which will match the actual objectives of your instant page. So, if your goal is to promote a specific product with a TikTok instant page, it is crucial that your pixel is active. Just like with that pixel I configured with you in the conversion event, I selected the purchase event, but the purchase event is not yet active. The only active event is the initiate checkout event when initiating the checkout process. So, if you want to use TikTok's instant pages, it's crucial that the events in your pixel are active. You need to select your pixel, follow the standard setup process in your campaigns, and that's how you can set up instant pages on TikTok Ads. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Until next time, thank you.